Hello, and welcome back to the series on how to use the Amplify Brokerage platform by Amplify Exchange. In this video, we will cover how to deposit cryptocurrency. In our video, How to Become a Level 1 Trader on Amplify Exchange, we covered how to deposit cryptocurrency during your onboarding process, but this video will be the process you will use on a daily basis to get your digital assets into Amplify to take advantage of our zero commission trading fee model. Let's talk about how to deposit cryptocurrency into the Amplify Exchange brokerage platform. From the Amplify homepage, which is amplifyexchange.com, click the green sign in button at the top right of the screen. Enter your email and password that you use at the registration and click the continue button. Since we have now secured our account using two-factor authentication, we will need to take advantage of that extra step here. If you have not secured your account, we recommend you do that now, and you can reference how to do that in our recent how-to video for instructions on how to get that set up. Once you locate your 2FA code within your Authenticator app, enter the 6-digit code in the panel provided, and once verified, you will be successfully logged in. Scroll down to the asset you want to deposit. For this video, we will be using Ripple. Click on the Receive button and you will be presented with a deposit address and, if applicable, a tag. Simply copy the address using the button provided and, if applicable, make note of the tag. Wherever you are sending your cryptocurrency from will follow the exact same procedure. For this video, we are using Ledger Live and paired with the Ledger Blue hardware wallet. As you see here, we simply paste the deposit address that was provided by Amplify Brokerage, and if applicable, enter the tag in the field provided. Once we send the tokens, we can switch back to Amplify. Closing the Receive Tokens panel in this instance, you can instantly see the transfer once we click on the row. You can also click on the Transactions tab and the Sent/Received filter. You can see the deposit we just made of 250 XRP appearing, and you can see that the transaction ID matches that provided by the Ledger Live. Congratulations! You now know how to deposit cryptocurrency into Amplify Brokerage to take advantage of our zero commission trading structure and amplify your digital assets.